Good morning to all. Today is the great day in the history of modern India. On 28th February, we remember the invention of Raman effect by great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. Sir Raman on this same day had invented the Raman effect in year 1928. For his contribution in the field of science, he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics. By celebrating this day as National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous Indian scientist for his contribution in the field of science. The main objective of National Science Day is to bring awareness to people about the science and technology. Science is everywhere around us. Whatever we do, watch, our daily life routines, starting from birth to end of life, everything we observe, feel is science. Scientific thinking starts from why, how, when, in every activity and every natural phenomena. If we will be able to find the answer of these questions logically, then we will be the next inventor or scientist. I hope all of you develop scientific attitude in yourself and contribute something new in the field of science. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, dear students. Today is 28th February and we are celebrating this day as National Science Day. So on this occasion, I would like to give you that why 28th February is celebrated as National Science Day. I will start with a quote that I am the master of my failure. If I never fail, how will I ever learn? This is one of the quote of Sir C.V. Raman, in which he motivates us to keep doing our experimentation and do not get afraid if the experiments get failed. When Sir C.V. Raman was traveling in ship, he looked at sky and at water. Both appears to be blue. And from this, the Sir C.V. Raman thought that he should find out what is the reason behind. So before the discovery of Raman effect, it was assumed that the sea water is blue because it reflects the color of the sky. But after discovery of this Raman effect, the concept get reversed. That is, the water molecule itself scatter the blue light most, and because of this, sky appears blue. So this was one of the greatest invention and experimentation for which Sir C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize in 1930 in the field of physics. Thank you so much.